What is up, Team 91 gang? What is up, YouTube and other people that's watching this probably on Google and probably is watching this on another device or on another app. Now, Team 91, I have some good updates for you. Now, have you seen in the freaking chats? I got Team 91 update soon. I even got the name title. Team 91 updates soon. I even got that down, guys. So if you didn't even catch that, you must be a blind Team 91 member. And I said that from the bottom, bro. Alright, anyways, guys, we have some new updates coming soon. But before that, these are the updates that's gonna come before probably next week or something. Nah, cause that won't happen. Probably all in 2 more months this is gonna happen. Nah, cause okay, I'll be honest, some of this is gonna be coming this weekend. Some of this is gonna be coming next month of these updates, and we're gonna have more updates than this, but these are the updates we're gonna have next month and this weekend. But before we do that, let me show you the video. What am I talking about? Like, subscribe, enjoy, tap that bell, and comment down below if you liked the video. On to the video. Oh yeah, and don't mind me of the music in the background, and do not mind me of come to see the cause that is playing in the background. Jeff, shut up, Jeff. Alright, into the video. Team 666 did that. They killed his dogs, bro. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So this is part of the Team 91 update. So guys, part of the Team 91 update, I got a new update, and those are the new flags. Now, the Team 91 flag, it's gonna stay for now because it represents the United States of America flag, red, white, and blue. Now, but that's the thing. Team 91 will have an update, and of the update, at the end of 2019, we will present the new Team 91 flag. So, yeah, so let's start. Team 666 already updated their flag. We hate Team 66. Team 36 is back. Team 91 and then Team 36. Team 16 is one of Team 91 friends. We get along with Team 16. We both like each other. Team Cloud, not Cloud Gang. Cloud Gang is not even a team no more. Cloud Gang is dead for life. Team Cloud is another name that Zuli stole, but the lady that made up Cloud Gang didn't want to start drama with Zuli because she was actually nice. That girl was actually nice, so she changed her team to Team Cloud. But now since Zuli is gone, it might be changed to Cloud Gang. But no, we're just gonna leave it like that. So Cloud, all 3 of us are friends. And then we got Team 91, and that's us. Now guys, we're gonna have some more videos of these and this. Okay, this and this. I was speaking a little Mexican there, but I'm not Mexican at all. I'm 100% African. No, I'm not 100% African American. I'm 100 American, okay? And then sorry guys, my mic cut off here. And then guys, I'm 100% American. Just remember that. Anyways, so do you see the reference between Team 66 and Team 36 flag? Now look at Team 36 flag. Looking closely. Team 36 on the right side, red, white, then black. Team 666, it's wait a sec. Now Team 666, the pattern goes red, white, then black. Now that is a reference of both of them. That's how you know they're teaming up against us here. They're actually teaming up, and I couldn't believe that. I couldn't believe that. So now we got the code Team Cloud and Team 16 to help us against one team that we ended in 2017 but came back. So yeah, pretty much. Now updates. Sorry guys, my mic is half broke. Oh my god, I didn't know it sounded like this. That is ear rape. Into the updates. Turn down your volume, okay guys? Turn it down. Okay guys, now I'm about to make you guys see what I mean. So guys, so if you guys didn't catch all of them new updates, let me show the clip to you right now, and then after that you're gonna meet me once again. And I'm gonna read it to you guys. More rooms, more songs, more news, more clips of Team 36 and Team 666, more members. More Fortnite with Team 91, more Call of Duty World War II, more funny moments, more behind the camera videos, and even more updates coming soon. RP Zig's dogs, I do not know what his response is going to be, because Zig and Trust have been taking a little bit of break from Team 91 and YouTube, but they're returning back this year, and they're coming back to the Team 91 mansion. They're moving back, and they just took a little break because the drama was getting out of hand, and they was like, well, I don't really want to be in this drama. I'm worried about my own stuff right now, but now I am ready to come back, and we could help you guys out. So yeah guys, that's what I'm talking about. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and see you later.